Okay, here's girl 1, 2, and 3. Here's girl 1 with the little clown nose. There's girl 3. And there's girl number 2. Where's my babies? Where's my babies at? Where's my little babies? There they are. There's girl 1. Let's see that face. Let's see that face. Oh, how cute this is. We got cutenesses. Here's a baby cuteness. There's baby cutenesses. Yes. Yes. There's girl number 2. Here's girl number 1. Oh, look at that face. Come here. Let me see that face. Oh, look at all that cute face. That's girl 1. There's girl number 3. Girl number 3 is ready to go to a home. Say, I need my forever home. Oh, how cute. How cute. My goodness. My goodness. So this is girl 1. Girl 3. Girl number 2. There's girl number 1 coming under the daddy again. Okay, y'all come out here and play with daddy. Come on. Come on, y'all come outside. Come on. Alright, Emily. Put 4, 5, and 6 in here. And girl number 4. She's a milk chocolate. Girl number 5. There's girl number 6. Oh my goodness, everybody gonna cry? There's girl 4. That's number 5. Number 6 right here, going tinkle. That's number 4 right there. So I'm a milk chocolate. Okay, everybody come out here with daddy. Let me open the pen. Come on. Come on. Where's all my babies? Where's all my babies at? Where's all my old puppy love? All the puppy love, my goodness. Here's girl 2. Here's girl 3. Here's girl number 1. Say, oh my goodness, with my little clown nose, I'm as cute as a button. Yes, I am. What are you crying for? Everybody attacking Annie? Huh? You attacking Daddy and Emily? Say ruff ruff. Who gonna say ruff ruff? Anybody gonna say ruff ruff? All the little babies. All the little babies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what you crying about, number 6? What are you crying about? You ain't getting enough hugs today? Huh? Oh my goodness, how pretty. Oh my goodness. So this is our first time outside. We just got our shots a few days ago. So we just got our shots and now we're outside. We gotta get climatized. So it's about probably, what, 80 degrees, 75 degrees, Emily? So we'll stay out here a little while till we start panting. So we can experience some grass and some sun. My goodness, if I'm just gonna get tacked, am I just gonna get tacked? Huh? Is everybody trying to be in Daddy's lap? Huh? Is everybody getting in Daddy's lap? Huh? My goodness. Oh my goodness. My goodness, I can't hold everybody. I can't hold everybody at one time. Can number 1. There's girl number 1. There's girl number 1. Oh my goodness. Give me that belly. Give me that belly. I want that belly, number 1. Oh, that's that's good belly. Oh, that's good belly. Yes, it is. Oh, girl number 1 likes the belly rub. Yes, her does. Yes, her does. What? What?
5 of them.
My goodness. My goodness, Emily's got a dog pile going over here.
Oh my goodness, where are you going?
There's girl number 4.
Mom's trying to go under my leg.
There goes girl number 2. And there's girl number 5. There's girl number 3 over here with Daddy. There's a boy number 1. Here's boy number 1. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Everybody trying to hide under Daddy. Look at her, all them puppies under me right there. All of them. Look at there. See, I just cling to my daddy. See, we just cling to my daddy. You gonna go over to Emily? Y'all gonna see Emily? What? What?
You can't hog all the shade.
Are you a daddy's girl? Huh? Are you a daddy's girl? Hey, Coco. There's the dad. There's Coco the dad. Some Coco kisses. Got my summer haircut. I got my summer. Come here, Coco. Run, Coco, run. Run, Coco, run, run. Coco got his summer haircut. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm being attacked by babies. We got baby attacks going on. Emily's got baby attacks going on now. Let's see who we got under me. Who we got? We got